इंटर एडवाइज एजुकेशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की ओर से वाशी स्थित तुंगा होटल में एमबीबीएस एडमिशन फेयर का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें विदेश में मेडिकल शिक्षा प्राप्त करने के इच्छुक विद्यार्थियों और उनके अभिभावकों ने बड़ी संख्या में भाग लिया। फेयर में जॉर्जिया, रूस, कजाकिस्तान, अमेरिका, आर्मेनिया, पोलैंड, उज्बेकिस्तान, कुरासाओ और सेंट किट्स सहित विभिन्न देशों की विश्वविद्यालयों के प्रतिनिधि मौजूद रहे। उन्होंने अपने स्टॉल के माध्यम से विद्यार्थियों को प्रवेश प्रक्रिया, फीस, छात्रावास, पाठ्यक्रम, क्लिनिकल ट्रेनिंग, डिग्री की मान्यता तथा उपलब्ध सुविधाओं की विस्तृत जानकारी दी। इस दौरान छात्रों को विदेश में एमबीबीएस की पढ़ाई के लिए आवश्यक पात्रता, दस्तावेजों और भविष्य में उपलब्ध करियर के अवसरों के बारे में भी विस्तार से बताया गया। एमबीबीएस में प्रवेश नहीं ले पाते, ऐसे में मान्यता प्राप्त विदेशी विश्वविद्यालय उनके लिए बेहतर विकल्प साबित हो सकते हैं। कई देशों के मेडिकल विश्वविद्यालय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर का पाठ्यक्रम, आधुनिक अपेक्षाकृत किफायती शुल्क पर चिकित्सा शिक्षा उपलब्ध कराते हैं। इससे विद्यार्थियों को वैश्विक स्तर का अनुभव प्राप्त होता है और भविष्य में विभिन्न देशों में चिकित्सा क्षेत्र में बेहतर अवसर भी उपलब्ध होते हैं। इंटर एडवाइज एजुकेशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के संस्थापक एवं मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी, फाउंडर एंड सीईओ डॉक्टर कामेंद्र दहात ने बताया कि इस एमबीबीएस एडमिशन फेयर का उद्देश्य विद्यार्थियों और अभिभावकों को एक ही छत के नीचे विभिन्न देशों और विश्वविद्यालयों की प्रामाणिक जानकारी उपलब्ध कराना था, ताकि वे अपने भविष्य के लिए सही निर्णय ले सकें। उन्होंने कहा कि भारत में मेडिकल सीटों की संख्या मांग के अनुरूप नहीं है, इसलिए विद्यार्थियों को विदेश में उपलब्ध गुणवत्तापूर्ण चिकित्सा शिक्षा के विकल्पों पर भी विचार करना चाहिए। सही मार्गदर्शन और मान्यता प्राप्त विश्वविद्यालय का चयन कर छात्र अपने डॉक्टर बनने के सपने को साकार कर सकते हैं।
Actually, looking forward for the MBBS admission, there are so many aspirants, and most of the students are planning to become a doctor in India. But we cannot accommodate all the students because we do have limited seats, and that's the reason we invited all these universities to give the admissions and informations regarding admission, regarding university to the students and their parents, because students and parents cannot travel to all the countries. So there are about 11 countries, different universities from the different countries, and students can get all the information under one roof. And InterAdvice always have the motto like student must get all the information before taking admission. So this fair we organize on the demand of the students and parents. We have done the fairs before as well in Bangalore and in Kolkata, and we have planned for different cities as well. So we are taking all these universities to different cities so that the Indian student from different cities, they will get opportunity to speak with the university delegates directly, and they can make the informed decision. So information is very important before making any decision. Otherwise, student will end up with decisions or taking admission in the universities, and then dropout happen. So student may not able to complete the course. So maybe the financial problem, or maybe the environment of the university. So maybe the safety of the university. So considering all these factors, we have arranged this fair for the students.
How many universities are participating in this fair?
Yes, there are about 11 universities we have invited. About 7 universities are already there in the house, and few universities are on the way because of the rain. They stuck somewhere, so they will join us soon. So about 11 universities from 11 different countries. Yeah, definitely it will help to parents and students, because this university are here, so student can meet them and they will give the experience like what is happening in the campus, what are the facilities available for the Indian student, what is the fee structure, what is the discount. And today definitely on this fair students will get some scholarships as well. We have organized a scholarship from the universities, and InterAdvice also providing them some discount. All right, so it is beneficial for the students and parents.
Hi, my name is Seshadip Meher. I'm the marketing manager from InterAdvice Educations. We are a 20 years old organization helping students for their study abroad journey. So today we are organizing a MBBS admissions fair where different countries and different university has joined. So we have 2 different countries starting with Russia, Georgia, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Armenia, and there will be also 2 Caribbean universities who have joined where they are giving the USA pathway. So in this event we got more than 150 students who have attended the event and they directly spoke to the university representative. The motive of this event is right now most of the Indian parents and students depending on the online information, and all the online informations are not correct, that we understand. So because of that we call upon all this university in a single room and they can directly interact with the university representative and they can understand their process, their career perspective and their entire academics. So this is about the event and this is being organized by InterAdvice Education Vashi.
Good afternoon. मेरा नाम शिफा नज़ीम शेख है. I live in Mumbai and I took admission in Windsor University School of Medicine, which is in St. Kitts and Nevis. It's a very beautiful Caribbean island. So there are 45 Caribbean islands, amongst them St. Kitts and Nevis, and in that there is my university, Windsor University School of Medicine. It started in 2000, back in 1998, but it got accredited and with all the affiliations in a full-fledged from 2000. Until now, Windsor University School of Medicine has brought up so many doctors and they are working, doing their residencies in US, UK, Canada, and even in Jamaica, and some of them even in the Caribbean islands. So if you want to make your future and want to do a residency in US, then please you can join to the Windsor University. Yes.
हेलो, मेरा नाम नेत्रा सोलंकी है और मैं यहाँ काउंसलिंग के लिए आई थी, MBBS काउंसलिंग के लिए. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस की बात की जाए तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक बहुत अच्छा है सर. जितने भी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आए हैं वो अच्छे हैं और जो काउंसलर्स आए हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छे से गाइड कर रहे हैं. हर एक चीज़ बता रहे हैं, कंट्रीज़ के बारे में बता रहे हैं, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के बारे में बता रहे हैं, एक एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से बता रहे हैं. तो वो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि हमें अभी से ही फ्री माइंडेड बताया जा रहा है. तो हाँ, यहाँ पे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. सब कुछ कॉस्ट बता रहे हैं, फिर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का सब कुछ अच्छे से बता रहे हैं कि इंडियंस है वहाँ पे या नहीं है, इंडियंस इतने रिस्पेक्टेड है या नहीं, वहाँ पे रेसिज्म है कि कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो हमें, हमारी एज अ गर्ल मेरी सेफ्टी है या नहीं, वो सब कुछ बता रहे हैं. सो इट्स ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है.
Hello, I'm Sonal Sharma. I am the head of International Student Cell at Progress Medical University, Armenia. So I would like to tell you that Armenia is the 7th safest country in the world. So it's a very good place for Indian students, and there is no racial discrimination against Indians. Rather, they love Indians a lot. They've grown up watching Bollywood movies and Indian television. So they love Indians a lot. Also, the quality of life is very good there.
So I am Runjun Bajoria. I am currently studying in St. Martinus University, and Tahat sir through InterAdvice helped me get admission in that university. Overall, I would like to say that St. Martinus University is a very nice university. It is very supportive. It teaches very well. It gives a very friendly environment to study at. It provides you with all the required stuffs, like all the material, all the knowledge, all the guidance that you need for USMLE step 1, step 2. They are always there to support you throughout the process. And it after I finished my USMLE step 1, I got the opportunity to do my US clinicals in Michigan. It was a very nice experience. We get to see patients one-on-one, and also after the end of my clinicals, we were so well trained and and educated about USMLE Step 2, and after the clinicals I gave my USMLE Step 2 and I have finished my Step 1 and Step 2 in one go.
Hello, my name is Shubh. I am currently studying in second year of MBBS, and now I have completed second year, now going to go in third year. I am currently studying MBBS in Progress Medical University, Armenia, and I went through Kamendra sir from Inter Advice Education. They helped me through all the way, like from all visa process and everything, telling me about the university and helping me. And now I am like having a good time at the university, and you should try to. University is really good. Like as you can see, like over there, like there's Sonal ma'am, the delegate of the university, who was like really helpful. She and Asim sir, like everyone helps all the students like a lot, and are really like for the new students also they're really helpful. So you should definitely try the university.